Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the XDeep Project NX Double Ender. So this kind of continues. They brought out the single ender and that kind of rewrote all the rules as far as bolt snaps. Now they brought out a double ender version, and it has a few sort of upgrades on a traditional one. The traditional double ender hasn't really changed very much. A few people have tried different materials and sort of black coatings and whatnot, but no one's really messed with the overall concept until sort of XDeep have come along. So the first thing you'll notice is the squared off sections. So they make it much easier when you're trying to sort of open up the gate. Your finger kind of pushes against that, and opposed to a traditional bolt snap which has that kind of rounded edge, it just means you've got something to kind of push against, and means that you get real good control over that. The gate itself, the bit that actually opens up, is huge compared to other bolt snaps, and the trigger that you're actually pulling against is very squared off. So even if you've got big clunky gloves on, very easy to activate. And then sort of once it's open, you've got a huge amount of space to find whatever you're trying to clip off onto. The top section is kind of squared, and then the hook goes round in a nice circle, so very easy to clip off onto D-rings sort of without even noticing. Same again in the other side, obviously. So this is probably about a 100, maybe a 120. So it's a decent size. Only comes in one size, which is probably the only downside at the moment. But it's a very smart, with a very smooth action to it, sort of double ender. Made out of marine grade steel, so you don't have to worry about sort of washing it quite so thoroughly, sort of after every dive. But I definitely like it. Would I go and replace every double ender in my bag to one of these? Probably not, but if I was looking to get another double ender, yes, I'd be buying sort of one of these, just because it's a smart design and it's very comfortable, very smooth action. A lot of cheaper bolt snaps, you'll notice they have quite a sort of a rough action to it, which is the last thing you want sort of whilst you're underwater. But those big triggers are a real big selling point, especially for dry suit diving. It's really easy to open at gate. So I very much like it. This is the XDeep Project NX Double Ender. Thanks for watching. Safe diving. I don't know how you can be so excited about a bolt snap, but I am.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.